Hello guys! If you are using SMS activation services to register accounts but often run into problems like failed registrations, account restrictions or even IP bans, the issue is often not the SMS platform itself, its site or network environment. Today most online platforms check the reputation of your IP address. If you are using public Wi-Fi, a VPS without a proxy, or repeatedly registering multiple accounts from the same IP address, your activity can easily be flagged as suspicious. Even if the SMS verification code works perfectly, the platform may still block or restrict the account during registration. That's why having a clean and stable proxy IP environment is extremely important. Services like SMS Man mainly provide SMS verification codes that allow you to register accounts on platforms like Telegram, Facebook, Google, Twitter, and Instagram. However, SMS services only solve the verification code problem, not the IP reputation problem. If your IP environment looks suspicious, the platform can still detect abnormal behavior and restrict your registration attempts. This is why many people involved in account creation, bulk account management, or automation projects usually combine SMS activation services with residential proxies. Before registering accounts, I usually set up a residential proxy first. Residential IPs come from real household networks, which makes your traffic appear like it's coming from a normal user instead of a data center server. This significantly reduces the chances of triggering platform security checks. For example, the proxy service I'm currently using is LycheeIP, which provides residential IPs from multiple countries and regions. The IP quality is clean, and the connection speed and stability are quite reliable. Inside the proxy dashboard, you can first top up your balance, then purchase new proxy IPs. Most providers offer several types of proxies, such as data center proxies, dynamic proxies, and residential proxies. If you are using them for account registration or account management, it's generally recommended to choose static residential proxies. After selecting the country, some locations even allow you to choose specific cities, for example, different cities within the United States. The proxies also support multiple protocols such as HTTP and SOCKS 5, making them easy to configure in browsers or automation tools. Once the purchase is completed, you will receive a fresh proxy IP. You can then configure it in your browser or a fingerprint browser and proceed with account registration using your SMS activation service. From the platform's perspective, it will look like aerial user registering from a genuine location, which significantly reduces the risk of bans or registration failures. That's why many people running bulk account creation or automation workflows rely on the combination of high-quality residential proxies and SMS activation services. This setup not only increases the success rate of registrations, but also reduces IP blocks, verification errors, and account restrictions, while making the entire process more scalable. If you want to build a stable account registration environment, starting with a high-quality residential proxy and combining it with an SMS activation service is usually the best approach. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll continue sharing more practical tips about proxy setups, account environments, and useful tools for online projects.